In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to activate a read color name feature in this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, which is this one in the right upper corner, and go to settings. Here you will notice answering and ending calls marked, and at the top of the list you will notice the feature that we are trying to activate, so it's read color names aloud marked. And from now on, as you can see, it's with Bluetooth or headset only, and from now on, anytime some contact will be calling you, its name will be read aloud. And this is it. This is how you can activate this feature. Obviously, once you would like to turn it off, just click on the icon, and you can smoothly deactivate it. And as you can see here, then you can also manage the settings, so it can be read always or just with your headset. I can stay with always. So this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.